Okay, so this is actually very exciting for me. So I found this little guy up here, this little house symbol is the HomeLink setup. So you click on that, click on settings, add a new HomeLink. Okay, cool. So I went in there, set up Ray. And so there's an instruction about taking your remote and pointing it at the T on the hood of the car or something like that. So that linked up the remote to the car, and then you press the one button on the garage door opener, and that sets in learn mode. And then all I did up here was, where am I? Press this activate, and that apparently got it to learn. So now when I come up to my garage, I hit activate, and it activates the garage door. Awesome. I think. Anyway, whatever. I don't need a remote to open and close my garage door anymore. I do have to click on the activate button, and I think somewhere in autopilot, where are you? Somewhere in autopilot, I don't know, I saw it when I was playing with it earlier, at the moment I don't, customize summon. Okay, customize summon has a use HomeLink, and I just set it to on. So I think if I use summon, I don't know. Hey, whatever, I'll have to experiment. But for now, yay, HomeLink is activated and it works. Isn't that cool? So, exciting stuff. Yes, I know I owe you a video on summon. I haven't gone back and tried it. Actually, I kind of promised Ming that we would go try it, but whatever. I mean, the summer is starting to show up here in Central Texas, and next week we should see our first 100-degree day, which will be ahead of schedule. But whatever. Peace and harmony. Exciting news that I actually got that to work. Cool. So I guess some of you might be wondering, if I understood it right, it's an option to order. It's like $350, I think. And if you order it, then you schedule an appointment with Tesla to have it installed. So it sounds straightforward. Setting it up with, now I have a Genie. It's a Genie 7055. Which is a relatively new one, but not that new, I don't think, because it doesn't have Wi-Fi in it. But anyway, whatever, peace and harmony. So if it looks like it's easy enough to set up. So the ray does not show up unless I'm close to my garage. Then the ray shows up, and I can press the activate button. And the activate is opening and closing the door. Now, I just set it up with summon, so maybe if I'm using summon to park my car, that will get me there, but I usually don't do it that way, so I probably won't do that. But anyway, peace and harmony. Another fun, exciting day.